Indeed, we do begin the readout tonight with Donald Trump's second impeachment defense, which frankly, I mean, it wasn't a defense, okay? I don't know if you watched it, but in case you missed it, let me just sum it up for you. Just think Fox News primetime cold open or OANN or Newsmax. It was literally a right-wing TV show. And perhaps most importantly, the kind of right-wing TV show that the Republican senators probably have on in their offices right now and at home, and that Republican base voters mainline day and night. Trump's lawyers didn't even attempt to put up a defense for his inciting the January 6th insurrection. Just take in this little sample for just a second.
The article of impeachment now before the Senate is an unjust and blatantly unconstitutional act of political vengeance.
We would like to discuss the hatred, the vitriol, the political opportunism that has brought us here today.
It has become very clear that the House Democrats hate Donald Trump.
Politics changes things. It has interposed the element of hatred.
So the tactic of the Trump defense, which was supposed to be a defense of the claim, was instead to try to claim that really there was no insurrection. That didn't even happen. They accused the House managers of manipulating video as evidence, manipulating the video that you saw them show in their presentation and tweets when they were making their case. But they offered no evidence of that manipulation. And then they themselves used Trump's tweets deceptively. They even tried to blame Antifa, really, for the January 6th insurrection. Seriously. And they even relitigated Trump saying the neo-Nazis who marched in Charlottesville included very fine people. They did that as well. But the chef's kiss of this just bizarro defense was this video, which they ran over and over and over with out-of-context clips of Democrats daring to use the word fight in varying random contexts, as if that is the equivalent of Trump summoning a lynch mob to invade the Capitol to hang Mike Pence and hunt down Speaker Pelosi. And of course, they ran an extended right-wing media-style attack video against Black Lives Matter, because of course you got to attack Black Lives Matter or it's just not Republicanism. And you will not be surprised that most of the villains that they chose for their little rants were Black, brown, Jewish people, and women.
It is about Democrats trying to disqualify their political opposition. One of the first people arrested was a leader of Antifa. This is not whataboutism. It is constitutional cancel culture.
You, along with your allies in the media, attempted to cancel and censor members of this chamber.
Let us be clear. This trial is about far more than President Trump. It is about canceling 75 million Trump voters and criminalizing political viewpoints. It asks for constitutional cancel culture to take over in the United States Senate.
Okay, I will repeat. This was not a defense. It was basically a 4-hour culture war rant against so-called cancel culture. You even heard them coin the term constitutional cancel culture. It was literally just a blizzard of lies, conspiracy theories, whataboutism, and frankly, BS. It was a stand-in for a Trump tweet storm, which of course he can no longer do because Twitter banned him. In a word, wow.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.